This is one which I always find really horrible to try and think about. But I've got like different ways of thinking about it now, and hopefully if you struggle with this sort of question, you're able to follow the way I think about it, rather than maybe the textbook way, which sometimes is a bit difficult. Now sometimes in exams you're given tracing paper, and so if you're given that, always use it and move it physically with the tracing paper. But if not, or if you're running out of time or anything, you can think right anti-clockwise, so it will move round this way, and so you know roughly that it's going to be sort of this shape, yeah? Because if you move it anti-clockwise, it would get like that. But you don't really, but you know, like, and you know roughly where it would be, but you're not really sure exactly where it will be. So what I do is I work out the distance to one point. So I've worked out you have to go 4 one way here, and 1 here. Now if you move this line 90 degrees anti-clockwise, we'd end up with this line going 4 up here, and then 1 here, wouldn't we? So at that point, it goes there. We can do the same with this point, 3 and 3, 3 and 3, and then we can just do it up. And there we go. There's our 2 marks. The next question. Describe the single transformation that maps B onto C. Now transformations, we've got reflection, rotation, translation, I think that's it. Now if it's translation, the shape will always be the same way round, so we know it's not that one. The other two are a bit more difficult. Reflection, obviously if it's along that line or that line, it's quite easy, because you can just sort of see it normally. But if it's in this line, it's a bit more difficult, but you can sort of think if it's on this line, you can again do what we were doing before. So then you move that 1 there, so have to reflect 1 there. You move that 3 and 1, so it goes 3 and 1. That 4 and 1, it goes 4 and 1. So you now know it is a reflection. If it was a rotation, you can just sort of look at the shape again, and you'll realise that that would actually be that way round in that quarter. So describe fully. We're looking reflection, and with this also looking reflection in the line. And it's worth just learning the names of these lines really. If it's anything like this way, you'll be looking at the x value equals something. So that's x equals -2, that's x equals 0. If it's this way, you're looking at y equals -3, y equals 1, etc. If it's this, it's y equals x, or x equals y. That's just what the line's called, and it's worth going away and learning that shit.